Water is coming from the earth, and that's natural alkaline spring water coming from the earth. And you can see natural alkaline spring water from nature. As you can see, so guys, water is not a problem in Jamaica. No, natural spring water is not a problem in Jamaica. As you can see, water is coming from the mountain top. Give us life. Water is oxygen. The body needs oxygen to survive. So as I said to you guys, get that cleanse, get that detox. Now, don't wait. We have some fun still going on right now. Go now, hurry up. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Heru from VeganChoiceFoods.com, and we're out in nature, out in Cranbrook family. Cranbrook, we're heading back down from the riverhead. We visit the riverhead, and I'm coming back down. This is deeper than nature family. We're walking for about 30 minutes to get up to the riverhead, heading back down now. We're like half of the journey. This is nature, guys. Most of you guys never seen this before. Peace, love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Heru, VeganChoiceFoods.com, and this is the end of nature, end of the tour. This is Cranbrook family. Cranbrook is nice. This is deepest ever going to nature is right here. Deepest ever going to nature is right here. As you can see, just come out of nature. It's right there. You go. Enter right there. This is Heru, VeganChoiceFoods.com. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Heru from VeganChoiceFoods.com, and I just want to show you guys. I just came from a spring in Ocherias below Duns River, coming down from Duns River, and I'm in Cranbrook in St. Anne again. And this is another spring, spring water family. There's a lot of springs in Jamaica, and this is our tour guide in Cranbrook. So if you come Cranbrook, check out Mills, and it'll give you a good tour.
It tastes lighter than the one we had just, and it's cold. It's like freeze, but it's like a fridge.
That's why I want you to have
Like a fridge.
It's like a fridge.
It's light. It's like Cranbrook, very nice place. It's deep in nature.
It tastes fresh.
And let me sample this water now.
I think it tastes lighter than the one we get.
Yeah, man, I tell you what, but we test it, you know.
You think it's lighter?
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Heru from VeganChoiceFoods.com. Running down some peacock right now. Show you guys the peacock. I'm deep up in nature. God is nature. Nature is God. Heru from VeganChoiceFoods.com. Go get that cleanse, go get that detox. Don't wait, get that detox. Don't wait before it's too late. Stop.